Will artificial intelligence replace the need for marketers? Welcome to the Marketing Accelerator Podcast, featuring 3 insights in about 3 minutes. I'm Drew Dinkelacker. The marketing world is all abuzz about leveraging artificial intelligence to create anything from a simple blog post to a novel. Google CEO said AI is probably the most important thing humanity has ever worked on. I think of it as something more profound than electricity or fire. Well, I've talked with marketing VPs and directors about their perspective on exploring AI, and it's quite a range from, I'm diving in head first, to, I'll stick my big toe into it, to, I don't have time for this right now. It's a distraction to achieving my current objectives. Well, these are all very legitimate stances, and I'm very confident that AI will not replace marketers, though I'm equally confident that marketers who leverage AI will replace those who don't. And there's a simple reason for this: speed. Content creation takes time. If I asked you to write a 6-paragraph summary on the 2021 Cincinnati Bengals season, how long would that take you? For me, probably 30 to 60 minutes, and I'm pretty quick. Here's the speed alternative that AI brings. Just Google stats for Cincinnati Bengals 2021 season. Then copy those stats and paste them into ChatGPT. Request a summary of the 2021 Cincinnati Bengals season based on these stats. Boom! ChatGPT spits out 6 paragraphs that took 30 seconds from start to finish. Is this publishable content? Probably not, but you're 85% of the way there. And saving time is just scratching the surface of what AI can do. But be warned, Tom Maloche eloquently stated 90% of AI usage will simply create more noise with better grammar. That will be coming from lazy marketers. DALL-E 2 is a new AI system that can create realistic images and art from a description in natural language. And because I'm somewhat obsessed with pickleball, I asked DALL-E to create a mosaic of a pickleball and a paddle. This took several minutes of processing time, and then up popped 4 different variations of my request. Realize this is new art and not gleaned from an already produced image found somewhere on the internet. For those who need graphics, you can create presentations with lots of visuals and not worry about copyrights. So here are your 3 insights. Explore AI now. There are immediate benefits, and if you don't have time, then assign someone on your team to explore it by getting them some training. I found very helpful information at the Marketing AI Institute. Here's a warning. AI is a rabbit hole. It can suck you in and suck your time. And then that comes with another warning, which is there's a lack of transparency. It's not 100% clear where AI gets the information or what it does with the information that you upload. So for that reason, do not upload any confidential information to AI, as it may not stay confidential. AI is changing marketing. How will you change with it? At Marketing Accelerator, we optimize marketing leaders with insightful content, exclusive roundtable engagements, deep dive analysis, and one-to-one coaching. I'm Drew Dinkelacker.